In the summer, in the facilities department, we are actually very busy. Our custodial team, they do deep clean, they do high dust, and they clean the lights, the blinds, the window sills. They do a lot for the floors. They scrub the tile, polish, and they refinish floors and buff and shampoo the carpets. It's a very busy time for them. I feel like the custodians and the maintenance people are well loved because they make it a comfortable place to be and a safe place to work. They respond quickly to needs. There are a lot of dirty jobs around that other people wouldn't really like to do. So I think we are appreciated for that.